Guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing humanos.me, a digital health training on AppSumo marketplace that is created by a doctor. Um, it's a technical approach to improve your health. I am doing that review because I think that kind of deal it's important nowadays because of the pandemic. So we are all of us are trying to cope with the pandemic effects, like around our physical health and our mental health. So having a deal with course and training and programs created with a unique method by a doctor, it's but someone who understands that issue, that topic, it's important. So you're gonna get the whole program as a lifetime deal for $99, and you're gonna get 8 health programs for weight loss to productive, 33 micro course, 11 how-to guides, 5 workout programs, and more than 200 unique workouts, recipes, tracking for sleep, and it's integrated with Fitbit, Aura Ring, and Garmin. So you get everything on humanos.me, and I'm going to the website, and then you can check out how it works. I have one quote. So I'm gonna log in now on my account. So, and you can see how it works. Here you can see on the left your activities, your sleep activity that you can track as well using the integrations, your weight that you can measure as well, and the achievements that you can win while you are doing the program. And here on the catalog, you're gonna see what you're gonna get. So there are the programs. So there are specific programs for diet, specific programs for physical activities, and also to improve your dream. To fasting, they're gonna teach you how to do fasting. So here are the how-to guide to indoor air quality, how-to guide about polarized and endurance training, to paleo diet, optimizing sleep, chrono nutrition, smooth, flash diet. So they have the trending topics about health. Daily about the workout program, they have daily yoga, desk mobility, daily heat. So here are the recipes. For instance, simple food diet. And you get more than 50 recipes. So if you want to know how to cook, they're gonna tell you the ingredients and how you're gonna prepare it. Daily avocado. Here in the programs, let's see one of them. So for instance, ideal weight. You can see the RPG. So Dr. Stephen Gunnett are gonna teach you that course. And then you keep going, watching everything. I'm gonna show you how it's a technical approach.
Research, and my work focused on the role of the brain in eating behavior and body fatness.
So that's what impressed me, because the tool is really technical. There are PhD doing that kind of job. They're gonna teach you the trending topics about health, and it's a lifetime deal. So you're gonna get all the updates. If they add more programs, you're gonna get it as well, and you can, for instance, use that to learn more about sleep and how to improve your sleeping. They're going to explain the connections between weight and sleep.
Then, how they can get us into trouble.
So that fasting program is cited by Jeff Rothschild. So a registered dietitian with a master's degree in nutritional science. So they are all experts.
Published original research on intermittent thought to be a growing diabetes problem, which is actually
But as you can see, really, really, really technical. I'm gonna show you now the workout programs. So here's the yoga. You can see they have by now more than 20 yoga class.
strap or belt. It's time to lay on our back. Just have your strap or your belt close by you, and then begin to hug both of the knees into the chest.
So that's the yoga. You can use the tool to track your sleep, your weight inside score. They have a tool for that. Weight tracking to track your weight. Box briefing is a meditative breathing exercise with visual feedback. Your activity score and step tracking. So all those tools, it comes with Human OS. So that review is to show you the kind of package that you're gonna get if you buy that lifetime deal. I recommend it. I'm planning to watch all of those programs. I need to improve my health and my mental health because of the pandemic and all those issues that is happening in the world right now. So I think it could be a good fit for you as well. And I hope that you improve your health. And if you like that review, please click on the button below. Bye bye.